Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what is in my Kelly 28. So this is my Kelly 28 in the color Ciel. I have been after this bag for a while. This is Clemence leather. And it looks like so. And I think it's the perfect size, as you can see, because it's Clemence leather and right now it's very full. So it opens completely if you carry it open. So what I usually do is that I close these two sangos. It is really full because I wanted to show you what I was really carrying. But I will close these two and then just leave it like that. And then it's fine. A lot of people, what they do is instead of closing the sangos, they close the flap. But I just feel like when I only close the flap, I don't know, it feels like the bag is not as contained. And especially if I am, if I am standing up and I am holding it and I open, I feel like it drags too much. I don't know. I'm trying to be careful with it still. But it's beautiful. The color is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. And I am gonna show you what fits and what I'm carrying. So, okay, so I have gotten used to carrying my journal, not everywhere, but if I am going out in the morning, which is when I write my journal, then I will carry it with me wherever I go. It fits really well. I'll show you what it looks like inside, with all of this stuff inside. So there's enough space and you can close it too. And this is a really beautiful one, by the way. I got this recently. It's from a company called Papier from London. And it has, you can personalize the cover, so you can see that my name is on there. And the pages are quite thick and silky and nice. So I like that. And then if I carry my journal, then I also carry my fountain pen. In this occasion, I was carrying my Mont Blanc. It's a special edition. It's called Bonheur. I like it. It's like my lucky charm. I mean, I love this fountain pen. I adore it. So I'll carry the fountain pen in my own little sleeve, white leather sleeve. All very elegant, you know me. My sunglasses I usually have on. I just wanted to basically show you the sunglasses that I'm wearing. So these are the sunglasses that I'm wearing lately. These are the Tom Ford Jason, which they don't make anymore. But I'll get you some links that are similar because I did see many similar ones. And I love them because they're kind of cool. So when you're dressed a little bit overly preppy, like I tend to do, or like overly posh, you put this on and it's like, it anchors you. I was carrying my book. I often do carry either a book or a Kindle. I got this for Christmas from my cousin. This is Marco Aurelio's Meditations. And it's quite light and small, so this works really well for your handbag. And then if I do carry a book, then I will carry also pencil. Because I underline my books. Should I be showing you my handbag more? Hold on. Okay. Then, because I was going out in the morning, I had my tea with me and I was also carrying, I carry a dry bag often. If I carry any liquids in my bag, then I will carry a dry bag, which I love because any spills, they stay inside the dry bag. And I'm carrying some water here. This is one of the Memo bottles, which are flat. And they're really great because they fit in almost any handbag. And you can have a sip of water. It's not a huge quantity, but to be honest, it's enough. So that if you're a bit thirsty, it's like a small glass of water. It's not bad. And it's kind of funny because people think that you're drinking vodka. And then towelettes, I have just gotten used to carrying antibacterial wipes everywhere. So I have all kinds of antibacterial wipes. And finally, my wallet, which is a Pucci. I've had this for many years. It's really beautiful. I've really enjoyed wearing colors, carrying things that are bright colored or patterns. It's making my winter really joyful. And then inside this little flap I have like some more, inside the zipper compartment, sorry, I have like cards and loyalty cards. That's it. This is it empty. You can see how it hangs, so it's still completely open. This is because of the Clemence leather. Clemence leather is really soft. It's really thick and beautiful, and I love the grain, but it is, by its definition, you know, very soft and kind of unstructured. Now, I was planning to order, what do you call them? An insert for this bag, but I started looking at them, and you know when you look at something that you want and it's so expensive that you never quite pull the trigger? So every time that I looked at it, it was like, man, 40 something pounds for a freaking felt insert for your handbag. It's like, really? And I do use these pockets, so I don't know where my phone is. I'm trying to find my phone. I'll show you, because it does fit in one of the pockets, and I have an excess. So this is my porcelain cup that I use when I go out in the morning, and I'm just going to kind of get some fresh air, get a first blast of sunshine or light or whatever there is here. And I love this cup. This is by Villeroy and Bosch, and I was carrying this in my hand, an iPhone XS Max, and it fits perfectly into one of the pockets. I know not many people like to use the inside pockets, but to be honest, I buy bags because I want to use them, so that's fine with me. It doesn't damage it in any way. It's not too big. Oh, I have one more thing. Hold on. God, I'm blind. So this is my lipstick, and just to be a bit extra, I'm carrying it inside this Roberto Cavalli lipstick holder, which is actually kind of practical, so I'm just carrying this gloss. This is a gloss from Cosas. And this lipstick holder, I got it in one of those massive sales where it's like you can't pass it up, it's just too cute. It's blue leather, and then you open it and it has a little mirror. So it's really nice if you only want to carry a lipstick. Sometimes I just carry a lipstick or a lip balm. That was the last thing. This makes for a conclusive video now. This is how it looks if you just close the flap. The good thing about only closing the flap is that you can have it open on the sides like that, so it looks a bit like a trapeze. And you know that I always loved, I still love the Celine trapeze bags so much. I never used the strap on this. I actually want to get one of the thicker ones, but I'm not sure I want to get the original because it's too expensive, so I might just get one from, I might just find it secondhand, or even get like an actual guitar strap. And I find this a really practical, comfortable bag for what it is. You know, you are carrying a Hermes bag, and it is gonna get some looks, but to be honest, I don't feel like I am getting too much attention, you know? It actually feels quite low-key. This one is from spring 2021. So yeah, I hope you liked it. It was good to see you. I'll see you very soon, and let me know how you are, any comments, any requests, anything you're feeling like you need this year. I'll try to give it to you. So see you later.